Grok AI, developed by x.ai, a company co-founded by Elon Musk, represents the latest advancement in generative artificial intelligence chatbots, operating on the robust large language model. While currently undergoing beta testing, Grok AI is poised to offer a plethora of promising features that set it apart from its predecessors. In this video, we will provide everything you need to know about Grok AI, including what it is, how to get access to Grok, the unique features that Grok offers, and how to use Grok. Grok AI revolutionizes access to real-time data by eschewing the limitations of ChatGPT, which necessitates periodic updates, instead continuously refreshing itself with the latest gossip sourced from X. Leveraging X's global reach and unfiltered information dissemination, Grok AI emerges as a valuable resource for navigating current world affairs with unparalleled precision, functioning akin to X's search tool, but with a heightened ability to distill nuanced information from specific sentences rather than mere keywords. Moreover, Grok AI transcends conventional chatbot functionalities with its advanced processing capabilities, fostering dynamic and immersive user interactions. From aiding in decision-making to executing complex calculations, Grok AI seamlessly integrates into various activities, adapting its responses to mirror the user's tone and injecting humor without crossing boundaries. Furthermore, Grok AI's language processing prowess extends to a comprehensive understanding of diverse linguistic nuances, encompassing contemporary slang, trendy buzzwords, and even the latest Gen Alpha jargon. Its proficiency in deciphering idiomatic expressions and complex sentence structures ensures grammatically accurate responses tailored to individual preferences. With its highly personalized user experience, Grok AI employs sophisticated algorithms to craft bespoke interactions based on the user's unique preferences and conversational quirks. By recalling previous interactions and adjusting its tone and responses accordingly, Grok AI fosters a relaxed and relatable interaction, offering users a learning experience intertwined with moments of levity. So, how do you use Grok AI? Currently, Grok AI remains in the beta testing phase, with access limited to a select group of individuals, namely premium subscribers of X, Elon Musk's iteration of Twitter. However, even among premium subscribers, early access to Grok AI is not universally available due to certain geographical restrictions. Nonetheless, there are assurances that accessibility will expand to a broader user base in the future. For now, if it's available in your area, here is how you can use Grok AI and participate in its beta testing. Step 1. Subscribe to X Premium. Since early access is only available to those with the premium version of X, if you're not subscribed already, you must first subscribe to it. There is no way to get early access without X Premium because you have to verify that you are a premium member. Follow these steps to make your X account premium. Open the profile menu on the left side of the screen. On the website, this will appear as Only Premium. Select the Subscribe and Pay button. If your phone number is already verified, then you will be taken to the next step. Otherwise, you have to verify your phone number by typing the code sent to your phone via SMS. Afterwards, you will get a bunch of instructions related to in-app purchases, depending on whether you're on Android or iOS. After following those instructions, you can confirm your subscription payment on the website. Once you're done, you will have to wait for a while for your account to get reviewed and approved as a premium account. If you are approved, you will receive a blue checkmark. There is also another way to confirm if your subscription was successful or not. To do this, you have to go to the premium option in your navigation bar again. From there, select Preferences, and you will see a card at the top that will show you your subscription status. The premium tier will have a Manage option on the right to indicate that you are enrolled in the program. Step 2. Go to Grok AI's official site. Go to the official website of Grok AI and click on the blue tab saying Sign in with X. Give all the required information related to your X account, which will then be used to verify you as a premium user before letting you into the early access program. If you are subscribed to the premium program, but the site does not verify you as one, wait for a couple of days and try again. Step 3. Confirm availability. Early access is not yet available in all the regions of the world where X Premium is available. So despite being a premium user, you might not be able to participate in the program. In this case, you will get a message saying, "Thank you for your interest in our early access program. Early access is currently not available in your location. Please leave your email address below if you would like to get notified when you have been given access." Step 4. If unavailable, leave your email address. Don't be disheartened because x.ai is still working to make early access available to all regions. Until that happens, you can leave your email address with them so that they can notify you about the availability as soon as it comes in. Step 5. Explore all you want. If everything has gone well so far, then you are one of the few people in the world with early access to Grok AI. Accordingly, your X timeline will introduce Grok in the interface, and a new bar named Grok will appear on the navigation sidebar. You can try out its various features and engage with it by asking questions and playing games the way you want. Grok AI has captured the attention of a diverse audience worldwide, from researchers and businesses to everyday individuals, sparking anticipation for its official release. Several standout features set Grok AI apart and contribute to its growing curiosity and excitement. Here are some features to note. While many chatbot models maintain a professional tone, Grok AI distinguishes itself with its witty responses, injecting humor to enhance the learning experience. Described by x.ai as possessing a rebellious streak, Grok AI's unique personality adds realism and enjoyment to conversations, incorporating occasional profanity without sacrificing friendliness. Recognizing that not everyone may appreciate a humorous approach, Grok AI offers both a sassy, fun mode and a regular normal mode. Users can easily switch between modes via a drop-down menu, allowing for tailored interactions based on personal preferences. These modes not only differ in tone, but also at times in content, offering versatility and engagement akin to conversing with individuals of varying dispositions. Grok AI also boasts the capability to address topics typically avoided by other chatbots, enabling discussions on a wide range of subjects from a non-judgmental standpoint. Users can freely explore taboo or sensitive topics without fear of filtering, receiving coherent responses to their inquiries, provided the information is readily available online. Addressing concerns about political bias, Grok AI endeavors to maintain a politically neutral stance. While initial responses reflected the predominant political views of X users, efforts are underway to ensure a balanced perspective, allowing users to obtain specific viewpoints or consider multiple sides of an issue, regardless of their political leanings. Beyond these features, Grok AI offers numerous compelling reasons to integrate it into your daily routine. This includes staying up to date with the latest information. Grok AI leverages real-time data sourced from X, ensuring you remain abreast of current global affairs, internet trends, and pop culture. However, for matters of greater significance, it's advisable to cross-reference Grok AI's information with credible sources to verify its accuracy, exploring a wide range of topics. With Grok AI's unfiltered responses, you can inquire about virtually anything without hesitation, gaining insights into topics you may be reluctant to discuss in person. Receiving unbiased responses. Programmed to be devoid of political or moral biases, Grok AI presents information objectively, empowering you to form your own opinions based on the facts provided. Enjoying a lighthearted experience. Grok AI's witty and personalized responses ensure enjoyable interactions tailored to your preferences and conversational style. Engaging with Grok AI feels akin to chatting with a friend who understands you, lifting your spirits and infusing moments of laughter into your conversations. Even in its early developmental stages, Grok AI shows promise for the future as x.ai researchers explore avenues such as efficiency improvements, reasoning advancements, intelligence augmentation, security enhancements, and multimodal sense integration to potentially surpass ChatGPT one day. If you're interested in participating in the beta testing for Grok AI, subscribe to X Premium.